What's up everyone, I'm Tom from Chaseki and I'm coming live to you from our tea house in Chiang Ma, Thailand. And as you might remember, in one of my last videos I was explaining you how to make the perfect matcha latte. And I got huge feedback on that recipe, and many people and many of you actually requested to have another recipe option. So today's video will be another matcha recipe. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, because it's perfect for a hot summer's day. And as you might know, most days in Chiang Mai are hot summer days. So this recipe is made with watermelon and matcha and a little bit of lime. And I already prepared mainly everything because I'm by myself right now and I need my hands to hold the camera. So what I did is I blended the watermelon, about 100 gram, a good cup of it, like a whole cup full of watermelon chunks. I sliced them into small pieces. Then I've added a half lime, the juice of half of a lime for the acidity, and I've blended everything up and I got this beautiful, good looking watermelon juice thingy, frappe style. Now I'm going to add a little bit of ice into this long drink glass to give it the perfect temperature. And I also prepared the matcha here already. As you can see, I used our Izumi, which is a premium matcha from our friends and supplier from Shogyoken. This is our standard grade, which is already a premium matcha. It's very nice, especially for any kind of mixed drink. So if you want to try this recipe at home, I can recommend you the Izumi. And I blended the matcha with 100 milliliters of coconut water. So what I'm doing now is I am pouring the watermelon juice into the glass. As you can see, it's perfect. And the next step, I'm adding the matcha. All right. And as you can see, it has a wonderful color. The matcha is taken over. Matcha take over. And all we need to do now is we add a straw, and we use stainless steel because we want to protect the environment. And now I give the whole thing a stir, and let's try. Oh man, that's good. That is definitely something you want to have on a hot summer day because it's super refreshing. The tanginess from the watermelon combined with the grassiness and freshness of the matcha and the acidity from the lime, perfect. No sugar added, so it's a natural sweetness. And what can I say? I have to continue drinking this now. I hope you will try this recipe at home. It's super delicious, easy to make, and so good. Okay, I will see you in one of my next videos, and until then, have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon. Have fun and enjoy the drink, and keep drinking the good stuff. All right, bye-bye.